Add a circle. In edit mode, rotate on y-axis 90 degrees. Move on z-axis. From side view, deselect these vertices. Delete these vertices. Select this vertex, extrude on y-axis. Select these vertices, bevel them. Select these vertices. In edit, loop tools, click on space. Convert to curve. Add curve rectangle. Select circle curve. In curve properties, in object, select the rectangle. Select the rectangle and scale down. Select this, convert to mesh. Select these vertices, click on F. Select these, click on F. From side view, select all. Move on z-axis. Move on y-axis. Add array modifier. Add plane axis. In object offset, select plane axis. From top view, select this plane axis and rotate. Move on y-axis. Increase the count. Select the same plane axis. Rotate. From side view, scale on z-axis. Apply array modifier. Add mirror modifier. Tick to clipping. From top view, in edit mode, select these vertices. Move on x-axis. Delete these faces. Shade auto smooth. Apply mirror modifier. Add bevel modifier. In shading, tick to harden normals. Apply. Add a cylinder. From top view, scale down on y and x axis. From front view, select these two faces, insert them, delete them. Select this edge loop and click on Ctrl F and grid fill. Select this edge loop and click on Ctrl F and grid fill. Extrude. Shade auto smooth. Add bevel modifier. In shading, tick to harden normals.